Have you been trying to locate Wilo pump repair parts near you? Your search ends here, as Pump Products is here to help. We offer a whole range of pump repair parts at competitive rates. Our fully stocked inventory consists of replacement and repair parts for all series and models of Wilo pumps, including the Star Series, Stratos Series, to Top Series. The top-grade replacement parts are perfectly designed for all kinds of Wilo pumps, including Wilo circulator pumps, instant hot water circulators, radiant heat pumps, 3-speed cartridge circulators, inline circulating pumps, close-coupled end suction pumps, variable speed circulator pumps, vertical inline pumps, horizontal split case pumps, vertical split case pumps, heat circulating pumps, water circulation pumps, solar pumps, hot water recirculating pumps. The Wilo Pumps replacement and repair kits comprise of pump flanges, circulator pump parts, pump repair kits, rebuild kits, cartridges, motors, PC boards, demand system parts, IFC replace kits, capacitors, bracket assemblies, zone valves, union sets, stack kits, pressure switches, comfort valves, body assembly, bearings and assembly, spring couplers, oil, wick, adapters, mixing valves, impellers, mechanical seals, pump sleeves, pump seals, shafts, bearings, gaskets, pump wear rings, pump rotating assemblies, and more. Pump Products is a leading Wilo Pumps online pump repair parts dealer, servicing customers nationwide. Our online store and huge inventory levels allow you to buy the repair parts direct from us and have them delivered to your doorstep. Inspector Pumphead and his team of application engineers are standing by to answer questions regarding pump and pump part selections and can assist in pump sizing, troubleshooting, and other pump-related issues. Needed now? We offer fast shipping, with most orders being processed and shipped the same day at the lowest prices anywhere. Pump Products, your direct connection to Wilo Pumps and Parts. Visit us at www.pumpproducts.com, or call our toll-free number today at 1-800-429-0800.